Hello, in this video I want to show you all available gestures and motions on OPPO A2. To do this, first we'll need to open our settings, then scroll all the way down and access additional settings, go for gestures and motions, and here we can find all of the options. I covered screen off gestures in my previous video. If you're interested, you can find it on this channel. Then let's cover them all. First one being swipe down with 3 fingers to take a screenshot and touch and hold with 3 fingers to take a partial screenshot. So first option goes like this. Second option, partial screenshot, works like this. You can select the amount of your screen that you want to take a screenshot for. Then there's raise to wake, lift to ear to answer call, auto switch to receiver, and flip to mute incoming calls. And if we lock our device, we can raise our phone to wake it up without touching screen or any buttons, and it will unlock. Moving on to next one is lift to ear to answer calls. So if you receive any call, you can answer it by just lifting the phone to your ear. Auto switch to receiver works the same way, but in case you're using any headphones or headset, it will automatically answer a call with that device. Then there's flip to mute incoming calls. You can lock your phone and place it upside down, and it should prevent any calls from reaching you. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.